Today we will introduce three functions of the laser welding machine: cutting, welding, cleaning. Before machine delivery, we will keep the machine ready with the welding parameters like this. Usually the welding gun is with the welding nozzle. If we want to do cutting, we need to change it into this one. Also, we need to adjust the scan width, import it and save it. Here is the pick power. If you want to cut thicker material, you can adjust it higher, and if you want to cut the thin material, you can lower it. Now let's go ahead. Next step, we will do welding. We need to change the welding nozzle. Now here is the welding nozzle. For welding, we also need to adjust the welding parameters. Here the scan speed. Save it. Also, you need to adjust the scan width. Now we go ahead welding. At last, we will do cleaning. You need to turn off the machine and the water chiller. For cleaning, we need to change it into laser cleaning system. Return, go to Handheld, and continue. We can go into the cleaning system. It is power off now. And turn on it. Now it is the laser cleaning system. Here is the cleaning parameters. If you want to clean it more powerful, you need to adjust the power higher. And also, you can adjust the scan width. Import it and save it. Now we can do cleaning. For cleaning, we need to separate the welding nozzle and double click this key. Okay.